Welcome to Ketchikan. What a beautiful place it is so far. Lumberjacks, Food Republic and Choir of Man are all coming up, so stick around. But first, it's time for a breakfast stop. So, quick bit of breakfast before jumping ship. It is currently just gone 7:30 and I plan to jump off just before 8 o'clock. So I've got a little bit of cooked breakfast, just a little bit, just to tide me over until I get back on the ship. I'm not overly hungry, but I do need to eat something because I'll be off for a few hours. I'm going to do a little bit of walking around, so I've got a bit of protein, some scrambled egg, some beans, and a teeny tiny sausage. Here we are then, off the ship. Ketchikan, let's see what you got. Should be another good place to get shots of the bow of the ship today, I think. Norwegian docks at Ward Cove in Ketchikan, so it's through the vast shopping complex and then onto a shuttle bus as we head into town. Well, this is pretty cool. Didn't expect this.
Hi guys, good morning.
Well, I can see the sign, so I know where I'm heading. I think I might have a little look around this place when we come back to port. Free entertainment while we wait. Could be worse. So yeah, if you are coming to Ketchikan on a Norwegian cruise line or Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings Group company, then yeah, allow plenty of time to get through the queue to get onto the shuttle bus, because there can be a bit of a queue. As you can see right now, I'm almost at the front, but it snakes right around and they will cordon you off and make you walk through the shop, which is a bit naughty, but I get why they need to do it, because it's an economy. I think we should be able to get onto this next bus, and then we're off into town. It is just gone 8:20, so should be there by 8:45, and the show is at 9:15. Plenty of buses here, that's good. We're on, and I'm ready to hit the town. Beautiful, quaint little fishing village town. Look at it. And then you've got the ship's dock to my right, where all of the other cruise lines use. Okay, alright, let's go and see some lumberjacking. I guess I found it. Here we go then, we've made it in. Let's have a quick sweep. It is showtime. Very limited video recording allowed. There is plenty of action shots. Take a look. Well, guess what? The Lumberjack Show was freaking awesome. Everything I've heard about it, it was even better than I expected. Absolutely friggin' awesome. If you haven't already seen it, I highly recommend. It is non-stop, 1 hour, pure entertainment. So I'm just heading back to the shuttle stop now. The last shuttle is 11 AM and it's 10:15, just gone 10:15. So I've got plenty of time to take a leisurely walk back. I think it took me like 10 minutes to get here, so got plenty of time. And just gonna take in the views on the way back. There's the Grand Princess. I couldn't make out what ship it was earlier because I was in a rush to get to the Lumberjack. There's 4 cruise ships here and we're docked over at Ward Code, so there's 5 cruise ships here today. They pack them in, don't they, eh? It's a really nice little port harbour area. And my, all the ships. Let me just pan around so you can see them all. There is another Holland America line ship and it's way behind that one there, behind the Princess. I'm definitely a bigger is better kind of guy when it comes to cruise ships because I find that the bigger the ship, the more there is to do. What about you guys? What do you think? Do you prefer the big ones or the smaller ones? Drop your comments below and let me know. Now this is cool, stained glass signs on the lamppost. How cool is that? So, looks like they are on all of the lampposts. Let's check out the next one. Wow. Okay, right, I'm going to head to the shuttle bus stop now. Back at the port and beauty awaits. So it may have been a short stop, but it's been an awesome stop. This is such a beautiful town. If I didn't have the Lumberjack Show booked, I would have quite happily wandered around for a couple of hours and explored. It's really, really quaint, really nice fishing village / town, and what a brilliant backdrop for the ship to have as well. Back on board and I'm right at the very aft of deck 18, which is where the laser tag is, which is going to be decommissioned and they're going to replace it with a Spice H2O right in this place, which is exactly what they should have done in the first place because it was a very unpopular move and it was this. So that's good. Spice H2O is coming to Encore. So I'm in prime position for sail away. I'm just going to put my cap on because I don't want to burn the top of my head. And then hoping to see some spectacular views. Apologies if the sound isn't great. I've taken the microphone off because it's a warm, sunny day and I am about to head back to the room, change into my shorts and jump in the pool. So cool. Live music by the pool area. The water slides are in full flow. And yes, the pools are heated. I said I would get here at some point this cruise, and I've done it. Maybe next stop is the hot tub actually.
film me?
Hell yeah!
Yeah? Okay, I'll do it.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
I'll just roll out.
Right, all good?
Okay, that was pretty impromptu and pretty cool. Hey! Right, I'm coming in. Right, I need to try not to step on anybody's toes. There we go. The pools are heated, but this is just next level. Cannot believe what an absolutely glorious day this is. Like t-shirt and shorts weather in Alaska. Are you mad? Okay, after a little relaxation time in the room, it is now time for dinner in Food Republic. It's a first for me. I've been meaning to try this place for I don't know how long. Oh, I'm out of breath walking up steps. So, let's go on in and sample some Asian fare, shall we? Okay, here we go then. Window seat. The blinds are down at the moment because it's very sunny, but let me just give you a quick view. That's fine. The menu is on an iPad, so you've got a touch screen, and it's very difficult to see it because of the reflection at the moment because of the sun, but I'll do my best to show you. So, here we go then, the food has started to come out and we start with a good one. It's tiger roll and it looks absolutely incredible. It's also come with some wasabi and some ginger. Take a look. That tiger roll was absolutely incredible. Delicious. That wasabi and ginger really added a lovely kick to it. And now we've got the pork bao buns. So if I thought the tiger roll was good, the pork bao buns were just absolutely out of this world incredible. Now I've got the kimchi rice. So 3 quick things. Number 1, that was my least favourite course of the meal so far. Number 2, it was still pretty damn good. And number 3, I think I've overdosed on rice. I really didn't think that through when I chose those items on the menu, did I? Here we are then. Final bit of the meal is the green tea jar, and what a work of art it looks. Take a look at this. Well, you probably won't be surprised to hear that that green tea jar was absolutely delicious. So another successful meal on board Norwegian Encore. It just keeps on coming and does not disappoint. By the way, in case you're wondering, yes, I am deliberately walking along decades down the prom while there is a sunset beginning to happen, because it's beautiful. And never it be said that I don't spoil you. Isn't that just delicious?
In the theatre tonight then, it's the big one. Here are some highlights of Choir of Man.
Epic, truly epic, and so glad that you're able to film in there despite somebody behind these disgust. Yes, I am. Can
I be in the vlog?
right now. Yes, you can.
Say something. Hello, vlog. Hello. Get him too. Sean.
Get it, gritty, gritty. Do it, gritty, gritty. Oh, 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 oh.
Eat. Are you taking your
I'm
vowels?
so good at the gritty,
Your
bro.
vowels?
Anybody else want to get?
Erica.
Okay, same time tomorrow?
Yes.
Love it.
12:17. We'll see you here.
So yeah, after that little impromptu hello from that group, yeah, you could film in there. Much to the disgust of somebody that was sat behind me, then you're not going to be using that, it's going to get in our way. Well, I'm filming using a GoPro, mate. It's not going to get in your way. But I took the microphone and the light box off the top to make it even smaller. So if the sound isn't brilliant quality, you can thank him.
What's your YouTube
I should have
channel's
just
name?
said sod it. Addicted to ships.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
You got my brother doing the belly flop, right?
Yes.
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 Yeah, that was my brother.
That is pure gold. That is going in the episode.
Thank you.
No, thank you. What a great day it's been in Ketchikan watching the great Alaskan Lumberjack Show. Fantastic. And then dinner tonight in Food Republic. Not forgetting jumping in the pool and the hot tubs. It's been a really epic day, one of many throughout this cruise. So this is where I leave you for tonight. Do join me on the next episode where we'll be approaching Victoria in British Columbia, Canada. Before that though, it's virtually a sea day because we don't arrive into Victoria until 8 p.m. tomorrow night. So do join me then, and in the meantime, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye now.